Hi writers, welcome to this video on a few things. One of the things we're going to go over is submitting your essay number 1. You are being asked for the Wild Mind essay to submit it in two ways. You're asked to submit it as an actual attachment, a document, and you're being asked to submit it as a audio or media file where you read your essay to me. Again, the assignment folder is only viewable to myself. And so if you had any concerns about that, you know. But before I show you how to submit from a student view, I want to show you, for those of you who are using a Google Doc or using Google Docs to type up your essay, you're going to want to make sure that you save it in a certain way so that you can post it to the assignment folder. I just opened a sample essay by a student of mine. Her name is Lupita Gutierrez, and she sent me a Google Doc to give her some feedback on. I don't use Google Docs because I use Microsoft Word. We have Microsoft Office free at Ventura College, the suite, if you want to use it. It includes PowerPoint and Word and probably other things. But if you're using Google Docs is awesome because it's so accessible. The only concern you might have is saving it properly and then also making sure you still put your header with your page number on it because that is part of MLA formatting. Again, this is all part of MLA formatting. The title, your information, my information, the date and all that, and then your header. If you scroll down to the end of your essay, you also should have your works cited. For the Wild Mind essay, it should say works cited. So to look at that, if you're not in a Google Doc, in a Word doc, it looks like this. And at the end of your essay, you have your works cited. You're welcome to copy one of the samples instead of reinventing the wheel. But again, if you're using a Google Doc, you're going to go to File, and you can save it a few ways. If you want to go back into it and revise it, you're going to want to save it or download it as a .docx. If you're fine and you want it locked in and you don't want it to be changed, you're going to save it as a PDF. So again, the submission types on the assignment folder are, I'm only accepting .docx or .doc, Word docs, and then .pdf, so PDF file. Those are the two ways that you are going to save it. And as for submitting it as a student, I've changed my profile to look from a student view. When you log on, you'll see the page as usual, and what you'll do is you will scroll down to our unit with Wild Mind, and you'll go to the assignment folder. Now I'm asking you to submit a file and a media recording of yourself reading it, audio or media, either way, audio or video, either is fine, but you're going to have to submit 2 times. That is the only workaround. For some reason the settings don't allow for you to submit 2 at once, so you have to go in twice, and I'm going to show you how. You're going to click on Submit Assignment. This is going to pop up. So if you decide you want to do the media file first, you click on Media. You can record, or you can do your own recording from your computer or phone and upload it here. First, you're going to upload your file type. You're going to choose your file. I've saved the sample essay that I just showed you guys by Jessica here, and so I'm going to go ahead and just go to my desktop. I save a lot of stuff to my desktop if I'm working on it immediately, and then I know where to find it. But you're going to find your file wherever you have it saved, and you can double click it to attach it here. You know it's attached when you can see it here. I'm going to try to upload the media file and see what happens. If I'm doing upload media file, then I would click on select video file, and then I would find the one of me reading my essay number 1, and I would attach that here. So let me see if I can do this. Pictures, videos. Let's see if I have one. Oh, camera roll. I'm just trying it with you guys to see if it works. These are some videos and samples that I have from my computer, figuring out how to use technology. I'll double click on this one, and then I can see that it's submitting. It takes a little while when you're uploading a media file because it's a larger file, I believe, and so you just gotta wait for it. After it's done here, then it will appear on my screen. And bam, once it actually uploads, that took probably 2 minutes, you'll see it here. So clicking back to File Upload, I have my sample Wild Mind. upload document, and then I actually was able to do my media at the same time. I'm going to go ahead and click submit, and then we'll see what sticks. Submission details here. When you have submitted, you will receive a confirmation, and you can always go back in. Right here it looks like the media file is the only one that's submitted. So if you click on the resubmit button, which you're going to have to do in order to submit both parts of the assignment, you click resubmit, and then you go to file upload. For me, the media one went through, but the other one did not. And so again, you have to submit 2 different times. Going to my desktop, I know that I can submit my file, my little sample. So again, just save it wherever you can find it. I'm going to double click. You can double click or click on it and then hit enter. And then on the bottom here, I'm going to click submit. Here's where you would write comments if you wanted to. Oh, you have to click on agree. You can say, hi, I hope you like it. Or you can tell me your concerns about it. You can tell me the things that you wanted to work on, the things you struggled with. That's a really helpful thing for me as the assessor. If I'm aware of what you are aware of as you submit your assignment, it also helps you earn more points on your essay. So those of you wanting to earn a few more points, if you are willing and wanting to submit a comment in a paragraph at least for a few bonus points, I will check over. You can tell me your concerns about the essay, what you struggled with, what you think you did well, and really what you want feedback on, and I can help focus on those things. Again, you'll click submit, you'll receive confirmation on the top, and then you will be able to see that you have your submission details, you've got your media file, and then you've also got your audio file, your 2 files. You've got the one here, and then if I move my face, you've got your media comment or your media file as well. I can see both of your assignments when you log on. And that's how you do it, folks. So again, I hope this helps, and have fun with your essay and enjoy reading it to me. Be sure to slow down and take your time so I can listen deeply as I'm looking at the text or the copy of the digital version of your essay number 1. Thanks so much for watching.